Welcome back to OU Nightly. Thanks for joining us. We're relatively warm and dry outside right now, 52 degrees here in Norman, winds out of the west-northwest. Looking across the state, temperatures in the 50s, some 40s up in the northwest Oklahoma, even in the Panhandle, seeing some 30s. And it's because that cloud cover is on the way from that storm system out towards our west. See cloud cover hanging out up in northwestern Oklahoma. Looking at futurecast, starting with some rain coming into Oklahoma before overnight might transition into some wintry mix into some snow before moving off towards our east. We're dry. It's not going to be falling anymore, but you could still see it on the ground. Talk about precipitation chances. Winter mix starting 20% here at 9 p.m. before peaking at 12 a.m., 80%. Then as you go into later on into the morning, 20% before 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. you can see we are going to dip down at 32 degrees and 31 degrees. That could provide some problems for our roads. Problems for our roads, black ice. What is black ice exactly? It's a very thin layer of ice that accumulates on pavement, and it's really hard to see because it blends in with the road. And whenever you have that snow on the ground and it melts from sunlight, and then it freezes overnight, becomes icy, and it's harder to see. Well, why are we going to see just rain and snow? Well, we're going to start off with a warmer layer near the surface, but as you go on into the night, we're going to cool that layer. As that snow falls, it's going to really cool at the surface. Now for our air mass forecast, here is our storm system kind of fading off towards the east. Going into this weekend, more seasonal temperatures, but here we are. Our next storm system coming in. Happy Valentine's Day. You're going to see some rain on Valentine's Day before that moves off towards the east, and then possibly another storm system coming in later on into next week into Thursday. Now for that rainfall forecast for that Valentine's Day storm, about a ½ inch for Norman. Keep in mind this is still pretty far out. These totals could go up. Heavier rain out in eastern Oklahoma. Now going into tonight, 32 degrees, like I said, dipping below freezing could cause some problems for our roads, seeing that 80% chance of wintry mix. And then going into tomorrow, we're near freezing before heating up relatively heating up to 40 degrees. Winds out of the north, and they will slowly taper off as you go out through the day. And then looking at 7-day forecast, 43 on Friday. Look at the nice weekend. Mild weekend, 2 weekends in a row. 60s next week with a chance of rain on Valentine's Day, and another chance of rain possibly on Thursday. Ladies, back to you.